Experiencing a no-signal issue with Xumo TV via HDMI? Let's start with the basics. First, inspect your HDMI ports for dust, corrosion, or damage. Try a different HDMI port on your TV. Next, examine the HDMI cable itself. Ensure it's securely plugged into both the streaming device and the TV. Faulty or old cables are a common culprit, especially cheaper ones. Consider using a certified HDMI cable, particularly if you're aiming for 4K resolution. Test with a different, known good HDMI cable to rule out cable failure. Power cycle your streaming device and TV by unplugging them for a minute, then plugging them back in. This often resolves temporary glitches. If basic checks don't work, resolution mismatches may be the cause. Xumo TV supports up to 1080p on most devices, while newer TVs often default to 4K. Access your streaming device's display settings, such as Roku's display type menu, and manually set the resolution to match your TV's native resolution. Ensure your streaming device's firmware is up to date, as outdated firmware can disrupt HDMI communication. For soundbar issues, particularly with Samsung TVs, ensure your TV firmware is updated to the latest version. Clean your HDMI ports with compressed air if corrosion is suspected. If the issue persists, contact the device manufacturer or Xumo support for specific advice. Consider future trends like wireless streaming as potential alternatives to HDMI connections.